January 2024 saw XTA and MC² release globcon XTA MC² edition for the control of XTA DPA and Delta DSP amplifiers. In addition to the XTA and MC² models, it also controls a number of OEM partner amplifiers such as Function One, Aura Audio and Quested, with new partners being added all the time. Audio Core Amped Edition is bundled with over 2,000 speaker presets and has controlled these amplifiers in the past. globcon offers some significant advantages, particularly in a live situation, with enhanced remote control options for venue management. Some of these additional features include upgraded grouping configuration. This allows a 10 times speed increase in grouping configuration. Web-based remote control panels. This allows access to group faders and channel faders, mutes and meters on a web page. Smart integration, visibility of your smart measurement on your EQ screens, and remote control by MIDI and OSC. This is the first in a series of videos which is going to give you an overview of the control available in globcon and realise the benefits of the distributed processing available in our DSP amplifiers. globcon behaves like a control hub, if you like. It communicates with all your amplifiers. MIDI, OSC, smart and web-based control layers communicate with globcon. globcon then relays these commands to your amplifiers. Before we take a deeper dive into the exciting control options provided by globcon, let's take a quick dive into the processing which is available in our XTA DPA and MC² Delta DSP amplifiers. These models combine a 4-input, 8-output processor with a 4-channel power amplifier. They have XTA DP448 FIR capable processing and front panel control, with the additional benefit of the dynamic EQ which were built into the XTA 5 series processors. The 4 processed input channels can be routed from 12 sources: 4 analog, 4 AES and 4 Dante. Dante cards are an optional extra. The first 4 DSP outputs feed the internal amplifier outputs, and the second 4 outputs feed line level auxiliaries. These auxiliary outputs can also be routed onto the Dante network. Other pick points are available. Let's take a look at the rear panel. This sees 4 speak-on outputs, 1 per channel. Outputs 1 and 3 are configured for biamp operations, so carry 2 channels. There are 4 line level auxiliary outputs. These have their own independent DSP, perfect for connecting to our ranges of non-DSP amplifiers. GPI for remote control and remote reporting. There is an RS485 connector for connecting to our D-Panel 8 remote. There is a dedicated Ethernet socket for remote control, and there are 2 Ethernet sockets for the optional Dante card. These can be primary and secondary, or 2 ports on a switch. As it is a Brooklyn Dante card, it has AES67 capability. These amplifiers either have a 20 amp power con or a 32 amp power con, depending on the model. In the next video, let's take a look at globcon control.